Today I'll be showing you what you need in your monomer and polymer bag for that portion of your exam. So this bag is packed with a lot, but some of the things that I put in this bag are optional, but it is always better to have more than less when it comes to state board because we all know that nerves sometimes can get the best of us. So inside my bag, in no particular order, I have the papers that you put on the table. I believe the technical term is dental bibs. I have my acrylic brush. I do recommend using like a size 6, something that's easy to work with, especially if you're a beginner. Odorless nail pack. I got this one from Sheba. They are, I believe, about $14, $15. A container with EPA so that you're able to sanitize, some hand sanitizer. The label that comes on whatever hand sanitizer you buy is perfectly fine. I have a nail buffer, have some cuticle oil. I have some towels in the bag. I believe I put 2 or 3 towels. It's 2. I put 2 in the bag. And I also have a nail nipper. Now, you need to check with your local area because some do not allow you to use this on your state board test. Make sure that you read the manual to see what all you can have. I also have 2 dampen dishes. I only showed one, but I have 2. One for the monomer and one for the polymer, as well as a nail brush, which in my state is not required. And then I have this separate container with my abrasives. So I have 180 as well as just some little cheap ones, some orange wood stick and some nail clippers. So in my state, we're required to use nail clippers, not the actual big clippers. So that is the summary of what is in our bag. Like I said, do not forget to check with your local state and see what is allowed for your test and what is not. This is just to kind of help you out. But thanks for watching.